Hello! Today in our lesson, we'll solve two more examples where we need to find something. The product of two numbers written in standard form. Here's the first example. We need to take the first number, which is written as 6.9 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 17, and multiply it by the number 5.2 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3. We've already found the product of two numbers written in standard form. To do this, we need to apply a rule. 6.9 multiplied by 5.2 and 10 to the power of minus 17 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3. According to the rule, when we multiply 6.9 by 5.2, we get 35.88. And when we multiply 10 to the power of minus 17 by 10 to the power of minus 3, we get 10 to the power of minus 20. But we can see that the result is not written in standard form. So we need to write it in standard form. The thing is, we have 10 to the power of minus 20. We know how to write a number in standard form and move the decimal point. And in this case, the exponent increases. But in our case, the exponent is a negative number. So I will write the answer as follows. 3.588 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 19. Don't forget that when we increase a negative number, in this case we add 1. And when I add 1 to minus 20, I end up with minus 19. The next example is one where we need to find the quotient of numbers written in standard form. 7.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 7. And we need to divide this number by 1.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. To start with, let's rewrite the division sign as a fraction bar. As a result, we get 7.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by 1.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. So, what do we get as a result? In this case, we can divide 7.5 by 1.5, and as a result, we get 5. And 10 to the power of minus 7 minus 6, according to the property of exponents. And so, the answer is 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 13. To check our answer, we need to pay attention to whether this number is written in standard form. Our number is written in standard form. Therefore, this expression will be our answer. In the next lesson, we'll do more operations with numbers written in standard form. And that's it for today's lesson. The lesson has come to an end. Goodbye.